Hello everyone and welcome to the video lecture series of mobile application development. Students, in today's lecture we are going to learn about the multimedia in Android, which is implemented by media player class. Once again, welcome. This is your instructor Janice Shah. So let's begin to understand that how we can implement the multimedia in Android. So students, the multimedia Android provides some ways to control the playback of audio and video files, both of them, through the class called media player. So here the media player is a class to access the built-in media player services like playing audio and video file in Android smartphone devices. In order to use media player, students, we have to call a static method which is known as create, and to stop it we need to call it the stop. The method returns the instance of media player class and the syntax is as follows. That means, what do you need to do very first time? Students, very first you just need to create the object of the media player by using the create method. So the syntax of that goes like this: media player is equal to media player dot create this comma r dot row dot song. If you thinking that's what do we mean by the row? So students, are you aware about the drawable folder? Whenever we try to access the images from the drawable, we need to write like this, like r.drawable.image name. Same like that, the row is a folder which we are going to create over there for the media players. So whatever the row files are there, like audio or video or anything you want to put inside your smartphone devices, then you just need to take this r.row.song. Okay, so row is nothing but it's a folder directory inside our Android project. So the second parameter is the name of the song, and the very first parameter is the context. So you may have to make the folder under your project with the name row and place the file into it. So how to start the play a song? You just have to call a method which is known as media player dot start. So first we need to create an object by creating like media player is equal to media player dot create this comma r dot row dot song, and then by using this object we can play this song like start method, calling the start method which is used to start the song, stop to stop the song, the reset, that means if you are at a 3 minutes and 55 seconds, the total song is all about the 5 minutes. Okay, if you want to reset the whole the song, then you can call the method reset. Then next will be is playing. Is playing method is used to check whether the media is playing or not. Seek to, if you want to move from the particular position, then you need to call a method which is known as seek to method. Next method is get current position. To get the current position which returns in the milliseconds, we just need to call a method get current position. Get duration, this method returns the duration of the whole song. Okay. Reset is a set to reset the media players, and release, to release any resources attached with the media player object, you can call a method which is known as release method. Set volume is used to set the volume, and set data sources is used to set the data sources, and set track and get track info. Set track, select track is if you have the playlist, and from the playlist if you want to select a particular track, then you can use this method, and get track info that returns the particular track info. Okay, so these all are the methods of the media player class in Android. Now let me just give you a small program through which we are going to integrate audio and video files in Android. So in this today's lecture we are going to learn about that how can we simply integrate audio files as well as video files in Android. So what first we need to do that? See, first you just need to right click over here on the resource folder, okay, and select a resource directory type as row. So right click over there, make a new directory, resource directory, and select the resource type. Instead of values, just select raw. So such like this you can create. So right click on the resource folder, select resource directory as a raw resource type, and copy our audio file and paste it over there. So after doing that, students, after doing copying and pasting, see, this is our audio player XML file. audio player XML file, that means I did nothing over here. I just took one button. See, this is a button. So this is a text view that contains a simple media audio player, and on the below of that we have one button which contains a listen as a text. So whenever user try to click on the listen, the song start playing. So here it is, the background code of the audio player. So main activity class is there. I just mapped the button with this main activity and the set on click listener. So whenever we just need to set the event on the on click listener, definitely on the button. So here first I need to create the object of the media player and then call a method start, and then on the completion, the song is completed, is message is toasted to you. Okay, so this is the on completion is a method which is called directly by the media player itself. It is called when your song is getting completed. Now this is next layout for the video player, where students you need to take video view. Okay, so whenever you try to add a video in your phone, then you need to take a video view. Here the ID is already given as a video view ID. I already copied and pasted this video inside my raw folder, and then see, so first video view is equal to find view by ID, string video path, you need to define the video path. Here the video path is android.resource get package name r.row.ljintro. So my video file name is ljintro. Now you just need to pass the URI, you just need to pass the URI over here, okay, and set the video URI into video view. And after using the media controller class, students, you can set the video over here and set anchor view, video view. So this is the method that how you can implement the audio file and video file inside your app. Now let's move towards the practical, so you will get the better idea about this. Start. So students, this is my project folder, where if you want to create the resource raw folder, how you can create is you just need to right click over here, click on the new button and select the Android resource directory, where from the resource type you need to select as a raw. So raw is my resource folder directory, and after selecting it, you just need to add your resources over here. So how I have added, see, I have added one LJIntro mp4 file over there and one taste_song.mp3 file. So both files are there, I have already added. See, this is the song.mp3 file, this is the LJIntro is the video. Okay, so first let me just give you the example of the Android audio player. So here it is, Android manifest file, where I have, students, see, this is our main activity.xml file, where I take linear layout, one text view is there which contains a simple media audio player as a text, and inside it we have one button which ID is listen button, and the text is listen. Fine. So on the below of the text view, I just take a button over there. When I used to click over there, then the song is start playing. So here it is, my main activity.java file, which is a backend for the audio player. Okay, basically. So here first let me just map the both listen button to my listen button ID java to XML and set the on click listener method. In the on click listener method, students, first we need to create the object of the media player. Then media player is equal to media player.create cat application context comma r.row.taste_song. Students, here I want to set the song over there, that's why I need to take this r.row.taste_song. Then start the song, we need to click over here, that media player.start. So such like this, students, the song is start playing. Now media player.set on completion listener, this method is used to on completion listener. Whenever your song get completed, it will toast a message. So public void on completion media player, its object is MP. Now toast.make text cat application context song is completed and toast is shown to user. Fine. This is how it is very much simple to integrate the audio file inside your Android devices. Now let's move towards the video player example. So here is my video player example activity, where I took our linear layout and the video view. where the width is wrap content, height is wrap content, ID is already given, that video view ID, and the margin I have already set for the 20 dp. Now what happens? See, this is my video player example, where first I just need to bind the video view with my XML data, then take a path of the video. So where my path is android.resource : / this is a basic path, where the get package name that returns our package name, and from that r.row.lj intro. So first I need to take this particular string and parse it into the URI, and then I get a particular data which I need to set in the resource of view video view. So the video view dot set video URI. First I need to parse it, then set video view URI media control is equal to media controller. New media controller object is there. Video view dot set media control object is passed over there, and set anchor view as a video view. So this is how, students, you can integrate the audio file and video file in your smartphone application devices. Now how it works, or I can say while we run the application, okay, what will be the output for that? Let's see by running the application first.
Okay students, so let me just run the particular application, but before that let me check what is it. So this is the main activity of Java file, where our audio file code is implemented, and this is our video player code, right? So let me just run first main activity. So here inside the intent filter is here inside, it should be in the main activity. Let me just do it, cut it like cut, and here let me just paste it. Fine. So students, my application code is now pasted over here. Now let me just click on the run button. Some previous processes are still going on, so just wait for a while. So students, finally my application is currently running. Now let me just click on the listen. Okay, so see, the song is currently playing. Let me just go out from the application. It's still playing, right? Okay, now see, application is still currently playing. Once you get clear the app, the song will get stopped. Fine. So this is all about the media player. Now let me just click on the video player. So for that, this is the intent filter. Let me just cut it and paste it in the video player. And where is it? Paste. Okay, so let me just paste it. Now click on the run app again. So now my video player activity will run. So application get installed, and see, so video player is there. So let me just click on the play button. Okay, so video player is successfully currently going on, right? So students, this is how you can implement your audio and video files both inside, or we can say, the media player in Android.
So students, here it is. It's all about the Android media player example, where we have seen that about that how can we integrate a normal audio and video file in our application. Okay, still if you have any doubt in this lecture, then please feel free to ask me. Thank you so much.